Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Cot Admission nakabanta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but Shispa % ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Mintirang ba ka jala Meghalaya Konrad ke sangma ka khatsau trek jumang araja penriau ula plai pai ba iki kali thamai jong katrat pulit Meghalaya ha police officer Mes Gofling Shillong komisi benta ban penklan ya ka lek kawan ka ket karong ka ji khun persha i kamsnieu bat ban pen bhai ka jiksakri jong ki pulit ki pai ba hakani ka program lai don lang da ka director general police kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS sengkat bat ki he officer sarkar ki he pulit bat kit khot jong ka Meghalaya police la pentep bahadu khandai pusantli ki kali thamai la da bantiet nak benta ka tnak pulit Meghalaya na padeng kini nyop khnai tli la thiet lengba ka song jingra pisa jong ka sarkar India hapo ka Central Assistant to the State Police Scheme kini ki kali ki kanthup ya arbo tli ki Maruti Jimny khat khandai tli ki Tata Truck banket pulit santli ki Mahindra Mini Pickup khat khandai tli ki bus bala banket arpungut ki pulet shipautli ki bus padan arpsau seat pratli ki bus padan laipunriu seat bat pratli ki Tata Yoda nak benta katnak CID dakani ke jingthiet ya khandai santli ki kali hakador ka wakot kumal laipoklur ka sarkar ka thmu ban penklan ya jingtrekam ke jingya jingyang bat ke jingla ban jubaklo ya kinu ki jingja paiba habro ka jala mintirang ba ula kren sepang ke jingpen kala hakatnak pulet kum ka police reserve fund kabala aibor bat jingkit kli shaki superintendent of police bat ki unit commander ban pen state ya kum trikam ula pentip ru ba ka sarkar kala dap thung palat lai hajar ngut ki pulet haki chaka balai thli ban pen khlan ya ke jingdon brio hakatnan hakabai dei bat ke jing e ba ki pulet ki mat haki por ke jingya kanat pai ba ukon rat ulai ro ya ke jingla jing ki pulet ban trei da ke jingya sha jingranti bat ke jingyalam ke bapaka
Today we have given an additional 95 vehicles to the police force to be distributed in different districts, and this is in continuation with our state government's commitment to ensure that we are able to maintain law and order and support our police forces and enhance their capability and strength. So whether it's manpower, recruitment, whether it's the infrastructures at the grassroots level in outposts and police stations, whether it is training of our police force, or whether it is logistical support like vehicles and also different ammunition and other equipments that are required. In all areas, our government has been supporting the police force to enhance their capability so that they are able to perform their duties in a much more efficient manner, which will ultimately, of course, benefit the people of our state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlo ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ai ka dur jing ki mar bam ka jing mat la ni ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam don ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya